Hi guys, welcome to Unlimited C Sharp course, and our today topic is C Sharp Introduction. What is C hash? C hash pronouns has C Sharp. C hash is a modern object-oriented programming language that was developed by Microsoft as a part of their .NET framework. C hash has roots from the C family, and the language is close to other popular languages like C++ and Java. It also includes a rich set of libraries and tools that make it easier for developers to build complex applications quickly and efficiently. So some of the key features of C Sharp include strong typing and type safety, garbage collection, object-oriented programming support, support for interface, inheritance and polymorphism, support for generic programming, exception handling and debugging support, integrated development environment, support with Visual Studio. Why use C hash? C hash is widely used in enterprise level application. It is considered one of the most popular programming language in the world. C hash is close to C, C++ and Java. It makes it easy for programmer to switch to C hash. C hash is a multi-platform language and can be used to develop application that can be run on Windows, Linux and Mac OS. C hash is a object-oriented language which gives a clear structure to program and allow code to be reused and lowering development costs. C has support object-oriented programming concepts such as inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation, which make it easy to write modular and reusable code. C hash has a built-in garbage collector that automatically free of memory that is no longer needed, making it easier to write memory-safe applications. C hash is a strongly type-coupled language, which means that is required variable to be explicitly defined before they can be used. This make it easier to write error-free code and catch error at compile time. C hash is a simple and easy to learn language, especially for developers who have experience with other object-oriented programming language like Java and C++. C hash is a large and active community of developers who share their knowledge and expertise through online forums, blogs, and other resources. C hash is used for mobile application, desktop application, web application, web services, websites, games, virtual reality, database application and much more. So if you like the video, please subscribe the Ilyasoft, like and share.